Welcome to our channel, Big Watch Buyers. Today I got a special watch that I want to talk to you about. This is the AP26420 with the smoke dial. Let's get right into it. Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Offshore in 43mm with the brown dial. Reference 26420SO. Let's dive into what makes this watch so special, from its bold history to its stunning design. The evolution of a classic. Brief history of Audemars Piguet. Was born in 1993, adventurous younger sibling of the classic Royal Oak that debuted in 1972. The Offshore is perfect blend of luxury and a sporty vibe, showing that AP isn't afraid of shaking things up in the watch world, offering something bolder and more robust. The Offshore is a perfect blend of luxury and a sporty vibe, showing that AP isn't afraid to push boundaries. The dial, a canvas of sophistication. The top brown dial is where the watch truly sinks. It's got this fantastic radiant effect, brighter at the center and darker towards the edges. This, combined with the mega tapestry pattern, is a visual treat. AP has made the hour and minute hands thicker, enhancing readability and adding a modern touch. The heart of the watch, the movement inside. It's an open back, a significant upgrade from older models. It's larger, filling the case beautifully and offering a delightful view of the gears and polished components through the case back. It's not just pretty, it's a powerhouse of precision and reliability. This is a 43mm, has a ceramic bezel, smoke dial, open back, has a green strap, and also what's beautiful about this watch, you can change the straps by yourself with a snap of a button. So for example here, I just open it and you can change it to a black strap that comes included with the watch. It's very easy to snap on and snap off, you see, just like that. Here is how to change the buckle, how to open it actually. So first you unlock one of the gears here, then you just slide it right out, and then you push it back inside, and then this piece locks in. Very beautiful watch. Enjoy it. Let us know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you.